Are you interested in start creating a YouTube channel? Then let me show you how. My name is Teresa. I'm an online entrepreneur since 2016. Since YouTube got started in 2005, it's been it's been growing exponentially. Most of us go to YouTube to learn a new skill, uh, watch some funny YouTube videos about dogs or cats, jokes. I know my husband, I always hear him laughing. He brings up YouTube channels for, funny dog videos. He also, will, if a song's stuck in his head, he'll go to YouTube to listen to it. Maybe some of you want to get started on YouTube channel or creating a YouTube is because you have a skill that you're really good at and you want to share it with people. Or you can just make a YouTube channel for yourself and save the videos for later. But, whatever the reason, I think it's a great time to get started. Let's get started on how to create a YouTube channel. So we're on my Google account. You do have to, in order to create a YouTube channel, you need a Google account, which is very easy to do. You just go here and create a YouTube channel, or I'm sorry, YouTube Gmail account. You can create it for yourself, for your child, or to manage my business. Now, to create it for yourself, which is easy, it's great if you're just using your Gmail account to, use for an account. But if you want to use it for a YouTube channel, then it's going to be a little bit hard, because with creating for yourself, you're going to have to give out your password for your Gmail account for if you guys want in the future somebody to help you with your YouTube channel. So that's the difference between, and then manage my account, you create it for your manager account. With that, you don't have to give out your Gmail account if you want in the future for people to help you with your YouTube channel. So that's the difference between for myself or to manage my business. You can also create a YouTube Gmail account for your child if you want. So that's up to you. But today we're going to do create a business account, which I've already created one. So let me log into that Gmail account. Let me grab that. Okay, so let me log into my Gmail account. Parenting at gmail.com. Okay, then we're going to push next, and I'm going to just paste my password. Okay. No, thank you. Okay, so there I'm on my YouTube channel here, and I'm going to go to my icon where you see where it says, let me move myself, whereas you see create a channel. You're going to click on that. Okay, so right on that. I already uploaded a picture, but you can simply just upload a different picture if you want. It takes you right to your desktop if you have pictures. I think I like that one, but obviously you can pick a different one if you want. I think let's say I like that one. Let me move myself. You can upload it, size it. If you like the way that looks, then you would push. Here, let me move the mouse. Done. down here. You like the way it looks. I think you can shrink it if you want, but I like the way that looks. And there you go. And then you would go create channel. And obviously your channel is empty. There's no subscribers. You have no playlist, nothing. So first thing you want to do when you get into it is go to customize your channel. Alright, so this is where you can set up your trailer if you want new subscribers or returning subscribers. And then branding, again, you have a chance to change your YouTube channel if you want to. You can put a watermark later on if you want to, what's going to show up next to it. And then the main thing you want to do right now is change this YouTube channel. Now, I would say once you get subscribers, maybe 10 to 15, or you want to not change it, but once you get subscriber, then I would say not to change your channel. But since I don't have subscribers on this channel, I'm going to change it. So, and then you tell about what this YouTube channel is going to be about. So let me, I already wrote something down, so I will come and paste it. Okay, so here's my description that I like. And like I said, you can write it somewhere else and put it in here. You can add links to sites you want to share your viewers, which actually I do have a link. My website is Teresa Marie. Don't know. Okay, let's try Teresa Marie. Oh, wait a minute. Teresa Marie online. Link title. Now let me go grab the URL. Okay, so here's my website. Okay, and then link on banner, first 5 links. Okay. Email address, obviously, is the Gmail account you signed up. So it's 3teenparenting@gmail.com if subscribers want to get hold of you. And then the other thing I want to mention is this is your URL. Once you get 1,000 subscribers, you can change this and make it more personal, but for right now, they don't allow you to, because, you know, you have to have 1,000 subscriber. But this is the you would give to people if you want them to follow you and to grow your channel. So once you're done, you just publish. And that's it. And then if you want to view your channel, there's where you changed your channel name. And then if you want to manage your videos, you would go there. And I can show you guys how to upload videos to your channels. So that will be on the next YouTube video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it. Share with someone you believe that would benefit from this video. Also, if you want to learn more, check out my video to the right on my card that I'm going to put up there, how to upload videos to your YouTube channel. So I will see you in the next video.